Guys, don't forget to get entered to win the giveaway, guys. We're giving away a U.S. General tool cart, 30-inch tool cart from Harbor Freight. You guys don't have to pay anything, buy anything to get entered to win. All you have to do is follow the instructions down below in the comments or in the description, and you guys are automatically entered to win. So I hope you guys go down below, get entered to win. It's free, like I said. So good luck to everyone that enters. What's going on, guys? Yes, this is my first time in a long time filming on the phone, but we're on the way to drop off the tow pig to get the work done to it. EGR delete, oil cooler, tow tunes, and I think I may let them to do the cab bushings. I'm not sure if I really want to feel like doing them myself, or I might just let them do them. I'm not 100% sure yet, but that is a possibility to get that done. I may get them to change out standpipes and SCT fitting and something else. I may get them to go ahead and change out as well while they're doing the oil cooler. But we're like 5 minutes from the shop. The truck's actually doing a lot better than it normally does on a long drive. Normally oil temp gets about 220, 221, and the highest it's got today driving is 214, I think I saw. So it's definitely cooler, and the temperature is about the same. So maybe it's starting to try to want to act right since I'm going to get it changed, but we're gonna get it changed regardless. Anyway, we want to get it deleted. Well, yeah, I want to delete it. I'm not gonna reveal the shop's name because I don't want to get them in trouble. And those guys do good business for me. I actually just passed the shop up, but with all the stuff going on, I don't want to, put their name out there and get those guys in trouble, because every day we're losing shops that can do this type of work day in, day out. So I don't want to, be a cause of losing one of them. So that's what's going on, guys. This probably just be the intro to this video. Probably will pick it up again when we actually pick the truck up and go from there. I'm not 100% sure, but that's most likely what I will do. He really ain't got no trucks this week. That's pretty good. Hopefully he can get me in and out, because I do have things to do this week with the truck that I need the truck yards. I need to cut. I need to replace the ball joints and stuff on the truck because they're terrible. Like driving them here today is horrible, guys. So I need to get all that changed out. I'm gonna do all that myself. So when you get the truck back, I have the parts actually there in the back seat. I'm dropping off my, AMSOIL, links in the description for this, guys. You guys definitely check the links out. My guy Adrian can hook you up with whatever kit you guys want. This is basically like the basic entry-level kit, because I started with this kit because I wanted to flush the truck out, flush the system out of the old synthetic oils that I was using. So I run this. I'm just gonna be the second time putting this in. That's what's in the truck now. It's just right at almost 5,000 miles. I think you can run this oil close to 7,000 or 8,000 miles, but I changed my oil at 5,000 miles regardless. So you guys definitely check this oil out. It's really good. I've definitely seen the improvements of using it in the truck. I had a few stiction issues with the injectors on the truck. I no longer have those, so that's a good thing. I'll give you guys a sound comparison, because the truck should sound way better when we get it back. Gotta get my gun and stuff out of here, but the truck should sound a lot better because it's gonna have that EGR delete, and so it's gonna breathe a lot better. So that's gonna be a good thing. It'll sound better. Hopefully these tow tunes Doesn't sound bad. It's got a slight little whistle for a 5-inch exhaust. It's not terrible. 4-inch will whistle a lot more right now, but when we get that EGR delete, it should give the exhaust a lot more of a whistle instead of that throaty sound. But got the truck right here, guys. It's sitting all clean. But that's gonna be it. I got Pops right here in the 6.0. Got Pops sitting there waiting on me. About to take my stuff out the truck and we're gonna head back home. Hopefully finish the truck. He said it's taking about 2 days, so hopefully get it done about 2 days, and we come back and pick it up and have a freshly ready to go truck. So I'll catch up with you guys in the next clip. So you probably saw those pictures. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but you probably saw the pictures that I just linked or popped up in the video. We were on the way from picking up the truck, from getting work done to it, and we had a blowout. The bad driving experience that I was explaining to you guys in a few videos ago, a lot of it was coming from the passenger tire. I rotated the tires probably a month or two ago, and immediately after I rotated them, I started feeling that horrible drive. The truck would shake really bad. So I figured a lot of it was more ball joint issues and stuff like that, because I know I need to replace the ball joints. But I didn't 100% think it was the tires. Maybe it had I saw the tires were worn, but I didn't think it was all that much coming from the tires. So I had ordered everything to change the ball joints, got all that in. That's here. So I went to pick up the truck. On the way back, going over a little bridge, a little narrow road. Boom, tire blows out. Truck handled it amazing. I mean, I guess truck being that heavy, it doesn't really bother it. But pulled up. Well, I drove it a little ways to get off to a safe spot on the road, so I can get over and change it. Changed it, put the spare on. Good thing we did have the spare. Put the spare on, and drove it the rest home. And I will show you guys what it looks like. But drove it home, and the truck drove amazing after that. It drove like a Cadillac. So that has to. So I'm pinpointing that being a major issue was the tire actually being bad, not the ball joints. But I will end up changing all that anyway. But guys, I was bummed yesterday. That's why I didn't even video anything. After this happened, I was bummed because it did a little damage to the truck. It did. When the tire blew up, rubber went everywhere and went along the side of the truck. That's all I'm gonna say. But we did have some damage on the truck, and I got a lot of work ahead of me to fix it. But it's okay. It's all gonna be fixed. It could have been a lot worse. What how I'm trying to think about it, but we're gonna get it changed. I think I'm gonna go today and get the tire replaced so I can put the wheel back so it doesn't look as horrible as it looks right now, because it looks bad. But I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like, and it just completely I'm bummed about it, but it is what it is, guys. Here it is. Here's the truck. You can see we got that spare on it and it looks terrible. But damage I was talking about, you can see the rubber just completely just went down the side of the truck. It actually had bent the fender a little bit, bent it up. I kind of bent it back a little bit. I may have to bend it back some more. It had yanked my rock lights out, all that. So I'm gonna have to go back and redo a lot of that. You can see where it was just dragging on the truck. A lot of this will buff off. I can get a lot of this out, but hopefully a lot of it comes out. But main thing is the mirror, guys. Rubber just went and slapped the mirror, guys. Completely toasted the mirror. Paint held up. That was a good thing, but mirror cap is gone, and here's the real damage. Completely shattered the glass. If it hadn't done this, we possibly would be able to reuse this mirror, because I could have ordered another chrome cap and that would have been fine. Didn't mess up our lights, but this, I'm not sure if I can get a replacement for this. I may have to just order an entire another set of mirrors, and completely just redo the whole thing. But this is toast. The bottom's fine. You can see it slapped it pretty good right here and chipped the paint. So kind of left a mark there down the side. Luckily it didn't do any damage to the bedside, because that would have been a big fix. But the rest of the truck is fine. Most of the damage was done on the mirror and in the fender well. So yeah. But good thing is we got the truck done. New oil cooler. Truck temps are like spot on, guys. Like 2 to 3 degrees difference between oil and cooler, and the truck drives a lot better, sounds a lot better when you're driving. That turbo lag that I was experiencing, they found a bad boot, the upper boot on, I think that's the hot side, had it was weak, it was real brittle. So I'm gonna order new piping and new boots, just like the set we got on the 250. Excuse the wind noise. Cause that set on the 250 is pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and order one of those, so we get that changed out. Order a new mirror, and I'm having trouble. I don't know if I'm gonna order some new wheels. Just go ahead and order new wheels for the truck, or just get a new tire and run it like that, because the tires are not bad. They have a good bit of tread left on them. You can see they have some miles left in them, guys. So I don't want to replace the entire set of tires and then end up getting new wheels and tires later on, because just replacing these tires, I think they're $200 a tire. So you got 6 tires, you do the math, 200 a piece. We might as well buy some 35s with some new wheels and roll with it like that, if you know what I'm saying. The only thing with doing that, we're gonna have to get the lift a little earlier, but that's definitely something we can do. But yeah, guys, I'm bummed. But yeah, like I was saying, I'm bummed about the situation, because we're still trying to build the 250, guys. So I'm spending money on building the 250, and now this is kind of like, I'm not gonna say a setback, because I can afford it, not to like brag or anything, but I'm blessed. I can afford to do this stuff right now. It's just not something I had planned on doing at the moment. So I guess everything happens for a reason. I had already been looking at wheels and tires for the dually. I was just I haven't pulled the trigger, should I say. So, and I'm kind of looking at the situation like that's a wake-up call telling me just go ahead and get the wheels and tires for the dually and call it a day. So that may be just what we do, guys. Let me say this, I am going to get a new tire for that wheel today, and we're gonna get that handled, taken care of, so I don't be riding around on the dummy looking retarded. But check it out, guys. This tire completely just exploded. It looks terrible. You can see it there. Looks pretty rough, real bad. So you guys can just only imagine the blowout if you're just looking at the tire. But yeah, it is what it is, guys. We're gonna get it handled, taken care of. Gotta look at the situations in a positive light. nothing major really happened to me. So that's a blessing. We can look at it like that. It could be a lot worse. Truck could have flipped, did anything, something like that. Could have been killed, you know, anything like that. So for it just to be the tire that we have to replace, it's not the end of the world. We're gonna get that done and move on with it. So it is what it is. Let me show you guys these lights I'm building, I'm working on. I showed you guys a little bit in the last video, but I finished them. They're actually about to ship them out right now. These are for Thomas. If you're watching, yeah, these are for you. These came out sick. This blue color is really nice. Really, really nice. It's lighter than my truck, blue. And then these are for Gavin. You can see those, sick. If I'm pronouncing y'all's name wrong, I apologize, forgive me. But the lights came out really good. I'm actually about to box them up right now and send them out. So you guys will probably be seeing, a post soon on Instagram or something of pictures of those lights. And yeah, if you guys are interested in me doing some lights for you guys, I'm not turning them away right now, but I'm kind of turning them away. I gotta finish my own truck, and doing these, I've done 4 sets in the last 2 months probably, and then including mine on top of those. So I've kind of been busy trying to, you know, do that stuff, and then trying to do my own truck is kind of putting me behind on doing my own truck. So if I tell you guys, no, I can't really get to them right now, don't take it the wrong way. It's not saying that I can't do them, but I'm not trying to. I have 2 months before Daytona, so that truck has to go a long way in 2 months before we can, before that truck can even be drivable. So I need to get that done. That's the only reason I'm saying I can't do them right now. But other than that, once we get back to normal, things get, you know, steady around here, I'll be happy to start building for you guys again. But we got to get that completed. So yeah, that's just a little update video that didn't go as planned. This video is not how I was planning on it going. I wanted to actually make a update video on a 350 for you guys, but I guess I'll have to wait and do that at a later date. But it is what it is, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little upload. Please go down below, hit that like button, subscribe button, and also turn the notification bell if you guys haven't already. I hope everyone has a great day.